This nebulous meaning word gives me the automatic right to look everywhere, and in so doing pick and choose those who very seemingly appear to be in clover all the time, the 24/7 types, and here is where I go fundamentally wrong, for I know nothing of their lives, bar the glow and the shine that I am shown. It's a drama we live in, a pantomime show, if you like. Forgetting that nothing ever is brighter than, more luminous than the sun, which too steps into a darkness all its own, as I do, we all do, from time to time. But the sun doesn't leave us in darkness, friends. It goes and lights up another part of the world and gives you time, gives me time, to recover from the strains of the day that we have spent, and allows you that sleep, which at the end of the day is pure heaven.